Probably could have tapped that a little smarter, but yep. Let's see, he didn't block, so I can do this then. And then right. Okay. It's still not quite out of it yet, but we're getting there. Because I showed him that little interaction there, so now he knows. Now my opponent knows. Okay, so he could drop a creature. Wait, no. Okay. Still nothing, but now he has to block. So, kind of swing with everything. I don't know if he has any other tricks in his hand. He could have Grasp of Darkness, but I think he would have done that before. This was Instill Infection, there's Seize the Initiative, Fortune Distraction, Soul Parry as well, actually. I have to be, I think I have to play around that. So, I'm going to swing with these two. We'll see how it goes. Alright. Getting there. Getting there ever so slightly. At this point, I could start swinging the rest of my team. Because then he has to block everything. Assuming he doesn't have a trick. But yeah, at this point, I feel I could swing with everything. Does he have something? Alright, first of all, do that. Okay, fine, he just concedes. Alright, I wasn't sure he had something, or he was just, wanted me to go through the motions. Alright. So, white, black, yeah, I don't, he's a hippogriff. That's about it. I could side in Abuna Acolyte, still wouldn't be too effective though. These creatures aren't too powerful, necessarily. I mean, the ones I have seen. Dark Simulator is not going to be helpful because he has flyers. Pharaoh's okay. Betrayed Berserker's okay. Flambeau Hellion will be okay. So far it's eh. He wasn't too aggressive, so. I didn't see too many artifacts, so I could side and Mystic out. For another Ferrovore or for a Blade Tribe Berserkers? I think Blade Tribe Berserkers. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. I didn't see too many powerful artifacts. He seemed to be running mostly colored cards. So I'll just go with this and try it again. Huh. Well, this is a 6 hand, oh, 5-land hand. I am on the draw. I do have Origin Spell Bomb and some other stuff, so I'll go for it. See how it goes. If I can draw to something, as it always were. Fervor, okay, that's a thing at least. But yeah. Nah, we just lead out with the spell bomb. Yeah, like I said before, we can also save it, but no. I only have one copy. I don't think it's worth. Okay. Alright, that's a thing. We could save that one for a rainy day. Nah, it's okay. It's alright. I'm gonna try to cycle this. I would block. That thing actually can get pretty annoying. Okay, Necrogen Scudder. Alright, I may not block. I would prefer not to use 2 Galvanic Blasts on that if I could help it. Alright, there's a turn stack at least. I think I'd rather run out Waft. I can do Fervor. Yeah, I think I do Fervor. Rar. Can't swing in. So, I mean, I can kill that if only turn to Slag. Necrogen Scudder is a good card. It's a good card. Still not swinging with the Drawshopper. I mean, I guess he doesn't know I have the 2 Galvanic Blasts. Mirror Reservoir. Does he have Mirror? Galvanizer. Okay. 3, tap. Still quite can't swing in. I can't play a Water Chord though. When I turn to Slag at, I probably will have to. He is kind of running out of gas, so. I may have to turn to Slag that. Yep, he's going to swing for 3 again. Perilous Mirror. That might be a problem. Especially with Mirror Reservoir. Oh. Yeah. In that case, I probably have to get rid of that Mirror Reservoir somehow. Well, I mean, yeah, sure. I have lots of removal. Jeez. Well, first of all, I think it's worth it to kill that thing. That is a nice little combo over there that he has. Right. I'm going to kill that Drawshopper. That is a nice though. That's a new archetype, as it were. That Mirror Reservoir is going to be really annoying. Besides Grasshopper, is there any other sack effects for black white? I don't think so. I know he's another Grasshopper. Well, first of all, let's see what he's casting. Probably Kimber Skyguard. Strider Harness. Oh. Alright. Yep. Yep. Okay. What, the mirror? Or to me? To me, okay. Yeah, that definitely is dying. That thing definitely is dying.